Hello students, welcome to Sri Rama Bharati online classes. I, English educator Mohit Mittal, welcomes you all. So we were talking about the midnight visitor. In the first video I have explained you complete chapter and the theme of the chapter was presence of mind. Now let's talk about what are the main important questions. Here I am talking about character sketch of Ausable. These are some points which I have written it here. Just we need to frame them in lines so that our answer beautifies. First point is American writer. Ausable was an American writer. Then clever secret agent. He was romantic figure, fat and smart, sloppy fellow, speaks French and German. Sharp brain, he had wonderful texts, fertile brain. See here you can even add one or two incident from the chapter. Now let's talk about he was a detective in Paris. He was short-heighted man. He was very tough with his physical strength. Personality doesn't match his job because he was a fat, bumpy man, and detectives generally are not. Expert in fabricating false story. Duke Max to save the paper. See, these all point, if we jot them down and frame a good answer of a long answer by adding one or two incident from the chapter, we can easily get 8 on 8 if character sketch of Ausable is asked. Now let's talk about the other character, Fowler. Fowler was a daydreamer. He believes in stories of movies. He was a young romantic writer who loves reading mysterious stories. What we need to do, I've given you some point, you just have to make it in a paragraph form. Fantasy to meet secret agents. He finds himself frustrated and disillusioned in company of a sloppy fat man. He was timid by his heart. He used to get nervous easily and he was scared ever. Horrible experience with Ausable. Gets a real thriller when Max encounters Ausable. See, I've given some points. You just need to jot them down and make it in a paragraph format. Fine. This will let you write a big answer or a long answer of nearly 150 words easily. So these all points will be termed in the character sketch of Fowler. Now let's talk about character sketch of Max. Max, not much is described about Max, but Max was a cunning spy, but his carelessness and foolishness proved fatal for him. He was a slender, a little less than tall, with features that suggested slightly the crafty fellow. Demands the paper at gunpoint. He was a cunning spy. Energetic but foolish. Believes his rival so easily and get killed. See what we can do, we can write all these points and we can add one or two incident from the fiction and we can write character sketch of Max. I would like to add, no doubt Max was equally clever, but he had some flaws in his personality. He used to trust the rival very easily and without the application of his mind, which made him prove fatal. So we discuss the character sketch of Ausable, then Fowler, and then Max. I have given you some important points which can be written in a long answer, adding some incident from the chapter. Fine. Thank you. I hope the character sketch is clear to everyone.